ॐ पूर्णमतः सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ अभ्यास षड्चत्वारिंशत् द्वितीयभाग। मम नाम देवदत्तोऽस्ति। दिस इज फेयरली सिंपल। माय नेम इज देवदत्त। मेरे नाम देवदत्त है। गुरुः शिष्ये प्रेम करोति। शिष्ये कस्मिन् विभक्ति अस्ति?
Sorry, this one will be Devadatto Asti. That will be Roraputa.
सम्यक्।
Devadattah.
देवदत्तः अस्ति। अतोरोरप्लुरारप्लुते। गुरुः शिष्ये प्रेम करोति। शिष्ये कस्मिन् विभक्ति अस्ति?
षष्ठी। शिष्यकम।
शिष्यस्य होगा ना वो?
शिष्य को प्रेम करते।
वो शिष्यम होगा ना? शिष्य को इफ वी से इट इज द्वितीया, that will be शिष्यम, शिष्यम प्रति शिष्यम, and षष्ठी if we say it will be शिष्यस्य, and शिष्ये is सप्तमी।
का की को that one?
शिष्यस्य है ना। षष्ठी रामस्य पुस्तकम् अस्ति। राम के पुस्तक है।
Like Guru is having a lot of love in his Shishya.
Yeah. Shishye snihyati. Actually, the snihyati shabda had come, right? Last abhyasa or some abhyasa there was one. Snihyati. Putram. Putre snihyati and all that. There also, they had used Saptami, right?
Saptami.
Which abhyasa that was? Yeah, see? Pita putre snihyati. Putre kasmin vibhakti asti? Saptami. Saptami vibhakti. In the same way, shishye. Astu.
So the shishya se.
नहीं, शिष्य से will be which vibhakti?
Shishya में आवाजी in Shishya Saptami.
शिष्य में, but शिष्य से कस्मिन् विभक्ति अस्ति?
पंचमी।
हाँ, पंचमी, करेक्ट। शिष्यात्, एग्जैक्टली। यहाँ पे शिष्ये है ना। सप्तमी। व्योमनि पक्षिणः विद्यन्ते, अर्थात
आकाश में पक्षी विचरते हैं।
हाँ, पक्षी हैं बस। विद धातु अस्ति इति अर्थ। विद्यते।
हाँ,
न विद्यते लोक दुःखेन भागे। न विद्यते।
रहते आकाश में पक्षी हैं
बस। हाँ।
But Pakshinah, isn't it Shashti?
पक्षिणः is also प्रथमा बहुवचनम। पक्षिणः is both, right? षष्ठी एकवचनम।
Sorry, you're freezing quite a lot. Or is it only me?
Can I?
No, internet ठीक नहीं है।
1 second. I'm going to reconnect. I don't know why it's got reconnected to something else. I'm going to reconnect. How is it now? Is it better now? No? Is it okay now?
Better.
Okay.
The screen is blurry, but we can hear you.
Okay.
Yes.
I hope it stays that way. Sorry, I'm just seeing your messages I didn't see before. For some reason, another Wi-Fi has suddenly popped up and it got connected. This one should be okay, hopefully.
Okay, so I had a question on this. Vyomni is Saptami, which is fine in Akash. Pakshinaha, isn't it Shashti?
It
Pakshin
is.
Shabda.
It is. But what is it also?
So,
It is true.
Pakshinaha,
It is Shashti
It's
Ekvachana.
plural of Pakshi.
Plural. Which vibhakti?
यहाँ पे
it is Bahuvachana. It's Bahuvachana of Prathama.
Prathama. Satyam. Prathama Bahuvachanam is also Pakshinaha.
Is
Both are Pakshinaha.
also correct.
Such examples we will get where we have to find the right vibhakti and vachana. This is given
Thank you.
in this. Pakshinaha. Vidyante. So if I were to say dvivachanam, then what would it be? Vyomni dash.
Aksharam
Then
vidyate.
vidyate. Okay, then prathama
Vidyatau.
ekavachanam is what? If vidyante is bahuvachanam, then ekavachanam is
Vidyate.
vidyate. And dvivachanam?
Vidyatau. I
Vidyanta.
No. Vidyatau etc. is for a sanya shabda. Dhatu will not go in that way. Vidyate, there is a, in Prashnopanishad, in the end there is a mantra. Bhidyete. Nama Rupa will get merged in Purusha. Nama and Rupa are two. We say Bhidyete. Vidyete. Same thing. Vidyate, vidyete, vidyante. Vidyate, any other occurrences I cannot remember, but vidyate, vidyete, vidyante in this way. So, pakshi, ekavachanam vidyate, bahuvachanam vidyante, dvivachanam vidyete.
But this would be similar to which Shabda? How would we look at it for the Rupas?
Vid dhatu is one of the, probably the Moola Shabda.
Dhatu, because I look for Dhatu. Okay.
Why it didn't come? You see with dhatu. This, na? Ved jnane. Not this. That is Veti.
This is Vid Jnane, right? And here I'm going to talk about Vid as in to be, to exist. Not one. Vidyamana?
Yeah. Vid sattayam. Vidignane is bhavakarmano holat. But we can take bhavakarmano holat to know. But here we need to take vid sattayam to exist. And here it is
Yeah, to exist.
vidyete. Vidyate, vidyete. Divadigana. Divadigana is like this, right? Divadhatu will be divyate, divyete, divyante. Divyati, divyataha. But in Atmanepade you have to see. Because Divadigana, Atmanepada you see. In that way it will become, you see, Divyate, Divyete, Divyante. Vidyate, Vidyete, Vidyante. Atmanepada, Divadigana. Am I still breaking up or okay now?
Much better.
Astu. Chaturtha. Artha.
Hemnaha, that I think Hemnaha is that person Abhushanam, ornament, sampadyate, to attain. So, to samyak padyate, I guess. So that is sampadyate, one who has.
Has you are saying because you are assuming there is a person.
Look, Hemnaha, Hem could be gold. Hem is gold, isn't it?
Heman.
So, Hemnaha.
Heman Shabda is gold. Sona. So, Hemnaha will be which vibhakti? Okay, we come back to this. See the fifth one, Panchama. Matu putra jayate. अर्थात
माता पुत्र को जन्म देती है.
हाँ, ओके, बट मातुः कस्मिन् विभक्ति अत्र?
It's Panchami. Mata se. Panchami.
माता से पुत्र
So this also is Panchami.
And Jayate is
Janadhatu.
Lat Lakar Jandhatu.
So here also Hemnaha will be Panchami. ये gold से jewels, में आभूषणम, decoration, whatever. From gold. संपद्यते.
But in this exercise, we have not come across samasa so far, have we? Or is it?
No, not yet. He will come below the next few sentences. They want to give Saptami, right? So they are, so far they are focused on Naman, Vyoman, Heman, Preman, all these. And now fifth one, Janadhatu. And then Saptami is there in everything. So now you see, Shashta, Kim Bhavishyati? Satmanam, Prajnam Manyate.
Atmanam is Ekavachanam, right? Is Atmanam is Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Okay. So,
That's Atmanam. So that Sa Atmanam, that individual, Pragyam Manyate. So he considers himself very intelligent.
why he?
Or that person, because Manyate is more in terms of that considering oneself, right? It's like that.
Okay.
So that person considers himself or herself. Sa is there. So
Sa is
It
Strilinga. It has to be.
So-
Not it.
Sa is she, right?
Ah,
Saha is Sa is she.
correct.
So,
Sa
Sa Atma.
is
So she considers herself
Prajna.
very clever.
Yeah. Sa Atmanam Pragyam Manyate. So now if you do, if you say Sa, okay, will it's okay with a before Sa. If I say Sa and I want to do Sandhi Karya, will it happen? Sa and Atmanam?
Yeah, you can.
It can.
Satman.
Yeah, you can have Sa Atmanam. No?
Should I add Avagraha? Should I add Avagraha?
Dirgha.
Correct. Akasavarni Dirgha. But should I add Avagraha?
No, in Akasavarni Dirgha we don't add Avagraha.
We don't add, that is correct. But should I add here? So when will Avagraha come?
That's a good question. Swamiji keeps correcting and saying add Avagraha. And I've always wondered why is he adding that Avagraha in there?
It is a good question. So why should I add? So Akaha Savarne, any other guesses before we see this? Okay. So
Did we lose Vijayji? Or is he there?
we will return if necessary.
Sorry,
So Avagraha comes, here we will have Avagraha. This is the meaning. In Sa Atmanam, we will have avagraha not one, two avagrahas. Here is the reason. Akaha Savarne Dirgaha, while they had given Dirgha also, like Sa and Atmanam, etc. Okay, so Na and Atmanam, like I say not Atma. There also,
Yeah.
we can add avagraha. There we don't need to add avagraha. Na Atmanam, Na Atmanam. Simple, it will finish. But there is here the concept of double avagraha because Sa is Dirgha and A is also Dirgha. Akaha Savarne Dirgaha will just mix up the words. Sandhi Karya will happen when there are two Hrasvas or Hrasva plus Dirgha. But if there are two Dirghas, then you add two Avagrahas. And if the first one is a Dirgha and second is Hrasva, like Sa Ayam, if I want to say, then Sa, or that is not correct, Sa Astu, Sa Asti, if I say, Sa Asti, then I will have one Avagraha. Sa Asti. There is one Avagraha. It depends. So this is the difference between Akaha Savarne Dirgha. While they get given examples for all of these, when there are two Dirghas, you add two Avagrahas. When the first is Rasva and second is Dirgha, nothing. When first is Dirgha and second is Rasva, one Avagraha. So if I say Sa Avidya, there will be one Avagraha. Here there is Sa Atmanam, so there will be two. Savagraha Artha is this. So when Avagraha, but in old Sanskrit, which is why in many books that you may have, there will never be Avagraha. Sometimes you just have to assume based on the prasanga, context. But because Avagraha is more of a modern, contemporary kind of Sanskrit rule, modern in the sense last few hundred years. But in very old Sanskrit, Avagraha will not be there at all.
So Avagraha helps us to break the right way. Vichhed karne mein,
Correct.
like Sa and A you will do. You won't do Sa and A.
Correct, exactly.
There are two Avagrahas.
Yeah. But Sa and A anyway will not get Sandhi. Why?
One is Rasva and the next one is Dirgha.
That is correct. But what does Sa mean?
Saath mein.
No, those Saha.
Saha.
Akara should be there. What is only Sa? Here there is Sa with Akara. What if there is no Akara? Only Sa is there. What would that mean? Sa Atmanam Pragnyam Manyate. Matlab?
That is the Sa is Saha, right? Where we have that,
Visarga.
yeah, the Visarga.
So there, Visarga Lopa is happening.
Correct.
So Sandhikarya will not happen. If the sentence is
Sir, so Sa Atmanam mein to Sandhi karya वैसे भी नहीं होगा.
nahi hoga,
So-
because Saha has become Sa.
That should not be there.
Exactly. So Visarga Lopa hoke Sa Saha Atmanam mein Visarga will get Lopa because Akara is coming next. So it becomes Sa Atmanam. You cannot do Sandhi of Akaha Savarne Dirgha here. Sa Atmanam will not become Satmanam. Sa Atmanam has to stay Sa Atmanam because Visarga Lopa has happened already there. But in Sa there is no Visarga. Sa Atmanam, she thinks. So Sa Atmanam you can make with double Avagraha because Sa is also Dirgha and A is also Dirgha. Okay. Sa, I see immediately it has come. Sa yathashakti sama agayata. Yathashakti sama agayata. Arthat?
As per his limit, he sang the song.
Ha. And that is why Sama is the Shabda. Sama agayat. He sang. They say Nama. Naman Shabda hai, like that only Saman also. Namani. Nama, Naman, Prathama Ekavajanam is Nama. That's all. So Saman also is Sama. Here you can do Sandhi Karya. They have not done. But we can do Sama
The
Gayat.
lopa has not happened.
There is no Lopa at all. The word itself is Sama.
Yeah.
So you can do Sama Gayat. So Yathashakti Sama. Nishkaranam Pratikul.
Can we go to number 6, please?
Hanji. Number 6.
Number 6, please. Okay. So, दो अवग्रह के साथ जब हम लिखेंगे, it will be स plus दो अवग्रह.
Sa plus Avagra.
सा. Okay. So, सा and दो बार अवग्रह and आत्मानम.
नहीं, Itmanam. वैसे. It's like.
क्या?
Can you see screen?
हाँ, अवग्रह. Okay. आत्मानम.
Yeah, sorry, I'm typing with mouse, so the handwriting is really bad. But you see the
No, that's
Itmanam.
समझ गया. हाँ. And then the next one, सा अमन्यत. इसमें एक अवग्रह आएगा. दीर्घ और रस्व का कॉम्बिनेशन है.
Correct. If we just say
Right?
Sa Amanyata, then it will be.
सा plus one अवग्रह and मन्यत.
Correct. Sa
Just wanted to
Manyata.
understand.
But the thing is, it is not a compulsory rule. Huh? You may be seeing somewhere it may come Sa Manyata also. We have to understand it is Sa and Amanyata. Because it cannot be Saha. Sa nahi ho sakta. यहाँ पे pulling it won't be. Because Saha has become Sa. Visarga Lopa will not allow Sandhi Karya. It has to be Sa. Then you say, okay, Amanyata Lang Dakar. In that. But the rule of avagraha would be that you are correct. Sa double avagraha. Sa manyata ek avagraha. Nishkaranam pratikulam nachara.
बिना कारण प्रतिकूल आचरण नहीं करो.
तो कारण से कर सकते हैं.
नहीं.
कारणम प्रतिकूलम निर्जने निर्द्वन्द्वः निर्विघ्नं तावत् पठ यावत् यत् कार्यं न संपद्यते. तो
जब तक लोग न हो निर्जने.
So निर्जने कस्मिन् विभक्ति अस्ति? निर्जने.
निर्जने will be सप्तमी again.
Saptami. So when we say nirjane, jahan par. So it will actually not, nirjane does not mean oh nirjanaha वैसे शब्द है. It doesn't mean that. Nirjane is about the place.
So where there is nobody.
Yeah.
And nirdvandaha, so where there is only you. Okay. And there is no obstacle. Nirvignaha. Tab tak pata lotlaka. You study till then. Pata. So tab tak pado jab tak. So yavat jab tak yad. इतना कार्य is again सप्तमी.
नहीं कार्यम है ये. This is कार्यम. यावत यत कार्यम.
यत कार्यम न संपद्यते. So जब तक इतना काम न हो, so when you don't have too much work, you study.
हाँ. जब तक इतना काम न हो, तब तक वो सब निर्जने निर्द्वंद्वे. कहाँ जहाँ जन नहीं है वैसे, जहाँ लाइक एकांत है, इन दैट वे. सो एकांत निर्द्वंद्वः विदाउट प्रतिविघ्न निर्विघ्न एंड निर्विघ्नम विदाउट विघ्नम. देन यू स्टडी. तब तक वैसे भी बोल सकते हैं. जब तक तब तक. एंड हियर यावन्तो जनाः. तो यावन्तो किमस्ति? द्विवचनमस्ति न? बहुवचनम.
यावन्तो will be प्रथम बहुवचन also. जनाः is also बहुवचन.
हाँ, बट यावन्तो should it not?
यावन्तो प्रथम बहुवचन रहता है.
यावान यावंतो यावंतो वैसे है. Is it like that?
You can just check. Sorry,
You are correct.
Just,
No, you are correct. Yavan yavanto yavantaha. That is correct. That visarga has become okara. You are correct. आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग क्वेश्चन. यावान यावन्तौ यावन्तः.
Yavantau, Yavantah.
That visarga has become okara. Yavantah has become yavanto, which looks like yavantau. So I just wanted to check. Yavan yavanto yavantah, correct. Yavantah jana grame santi. So yavantah jana grame santi.
So जब तक सब जनाः
हाँ
गांव जाते हैं, गांव में जाते हैं.
हाँ, यावान यहाँ पे जितने वैसे
जितने भी जनाः ग्रामे सन्ति, गांव में जाते हैं.
गाँव में हैं संति.
तावन्तः. So again, उतने सब और आलम सब उम्र के बालः टू वृद्धः.
बाल से
इतना कालम for this time यावत् सुखिनः सन्ति. So be happy during this time or something.
इयत् कालम.
इयत् means
इतना समय तक, अब तक
इतना समय तक
सुखिनः संति, सुखी हैं सब. संति इज लट लकार. अस्ति स्तः संति. So जितना जब तक
Till the time they have not gone to the village, they are sukhi. All of them. आबाल वृद्ध.
नहीं,
City में life अच्छी है.
नहीं, जितने भी विलेज में हैं, जितने भी जन ग्राम में हैं, वैसे यावंतो जनाः ग्रामे सन्ति. हाउ मेनी एवर पीपल इन द विलेज, जितने भी लोग ग्राम में हैं, तावन्तः सर्वे अपि, all of those people, all of them, सर्वे अपि, किम सर, काः सर्वे, के सर्वे, आबाल वृद्धम, बाल से वृद्ध तक सर्वे. यत् कालम, इतना समय, यावत, जितना, सुखिनः सन्ति, उतना समय सुखी हैं. Everybody is happy in the village. Effectively, they want to say.
That is the
हाँ, ग्रामे सर्वाः सुखिनः सन्ति. This they have. सर्वे सुखिनः सन्ति. ग्रामे सर्वे जनाः सुखिनः सन्ति. सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु. ऐसे होते हैं, सुखिनो सन्ति. That's all. That is what we are saying in this sentence. अस्तु, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है संस्कृत भाषायां?
त्वं नाम किम?
तव नाम किम? त्वं नाम किम you can say, but then you will have to use another samasa, not avyay bhava samasa. There it will be bahuvrihi samasa, I guess. Tvam nama kimasi, you can say that. Like tu kaun si naam wale ho, वैसे. But here the better way is to say tavanama kim. That is a common way in Sanskrit communication, etc. When you meet somebody new, you say tavanama kim, and here you can say tavanama kim asti, क्या है, ऐसे बोल. मेरा नाम कृष्ण है, मामा नाम कृष्णो अस्ति. Or should I say mama nama krishno asmi?
Krishnasmi.
Krishnasmi?
Yeah.
Any other? Okay, wait. Why Krishnasmi? Like, aham Krishnasmi. Mama nama?
Mera naam, yeah. My naam is separate to me, so Krishnasmi, correct. In fact, intuitively I wrote Krishnasmi here, but when you ask Krishnasmi, it's got it.
मम नाम कृष्ण अस्ति.
समास कार्य हियर
नहीं, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं समास कार्य. इट इज जस्ट मम नाम कृष्ण अस्ति. समास कार्य विल कम लिटिल बिलो. आई थिंक आफ्टर 6 or 7 इट इज कमिंग. वी आर बिल्डिंग अप टू इट. सज्जन सब पर प्रेम करता है. सज्जन, सज्जनः सर्वेषां, सर्वेषु, बोथ आर ओके. हाँ, सर्वेषु सब पर. ओके, एंड देन प्रेम कराता है, प्रेम करता है. यहाँ पे देखिए ना, प्रेम करोति.
प्रेम करोति,
हाँ, प्रेम करोति।
प्रेम करोति।
प्रेम से प्रेम उत्पन्न होता है। प्रेम नहा,
So प्रेम नः, right? You can use तृतीया और
तृतीया नहीं,
पंचमी।
पंचमी ओनली। तृतीया यू यूज
पूर्ण
प्रेम से, okay, from प्रेम।
I thought it's like पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते।
हाँ, तो पूर्णात् कस्मिन् विभक्ति अस्ति?
प्रेमात्, can it be प्रेमात्?
प्रेमात् नहीं। सी पूर्णात्, ओके सही। पूर्णात् में कस्मिन् प्रातिपदिका अस्ति? पूर्ण, पूर्णः, पूर्णस्, दैट इज, इट इज अ पुल्लिंग शब्द है, पूर्णः। और पूर्णम यू कैन आल्सो से। सो पुल्लिंग एंड नपुंसकलिंग बोथ, पंचमी एकवचनम इज पूर्णात्। पूर्ण से पूर्ण होता है, वैसे पूर्णात्। बट दिस इज नॉट प्रेमस् ना, दिस इज प्रेमन।
प्रेमन, okay, yeah.
So it will be prem naha, like naman shabda. Prem naha, prema, utpanna, they had given that word
उत्पन्नस्य। You know, I had a question on the same thing before. I couldn't find this mansyate when we talked about atmanam, pradyam, manyate, amanya.
mansyate.
Mansyate, yeah, that I could not locate. I did not understand what that was.
Rit lakara, future tense. Mansyate, mansyete, mansyante.
But Rit lakara was one, like jan wala janishyati or something.
Vikalpa is there. Both are allowed. Janishyate also is there, and mansyate, that is also allowed. So there was a sutra earlier in the very beginning of this book that we had seen. The first time they had introduced Rit Lakara. I don't remember which Abhyasa it was, maybe Abhyasa 13 or something. There was a sutra where they had said Vikalpa is allowed. I will find that sutra. Allowed means there is Vikalpa. Either it is Janishyate itivat or Jansyate. But where is that sutra? Abhyasa number 7. In this they have said Abhyasa 7.
Does mansyate means to convince someone? Manana?
No, manyate. Manyate is to
think, one thinks.
Think, na? Manyate. Aha, manyate in that way.
Mananakarta.
Aha manye, that way also you can say. Mandha. So you see here, in purvakta धातु में इष्यति, and in purvakta in में syati. So here you have to say mandhatu. They have not given here, I think, but mandhatu will come here. And there are some where vikalpa is there. Both are allowed. That is also there.
How did you remember this?
Because it has to come in Rit Lakara Abhyasa, right? And there is only one Rit Lakara Abhyasa.
Fantastic. Really good.
In fact, you know what we can do? देखो धातु संख्या में, is there some धातु संख्या they have given? Rama शब्द संक्षिप्त रूप लगा था. No, they have not given धातु संख्या. But you see धातु रूप भू लट भविष्यत, and then संक्षिप्त रूप you can use syati or ishyati. Both are allowed. Vikalpas. So back to our 46. Here we go. मेरे घर, उत्पन्न शब्द can be उत्पद्यति, or even जायते is allowed. जन धातु you can just use जायते. प्रेमनः प्रेम जायते.
They have used the word utpasyate.
उत्पद्यते.
No, see, the उदाहरण वाक्य.
Where?
अजायत जनिष्यते उत्पस्यते.
नंबर 5 के एंड में.
मिस्टेक. उत्पस्यते. उत्पस्यते is correct. अच्छा, no, here उत्पस्यते is for lit lakara, right? Like mansyate.
Mansyate, correct.
But we should not be using lit lakara, right? We want utpanna hota hai lat lakara. So it is utpadyate.
Utpadyate.
So jayate is fine.
Jayate is
fine. प्रेमनः प्रेम जायते.
सत्यम. प्रेमनः प्रेम जायते. प्रेम्नः प्रेम जायते.
हम कैसे लिख रहे हैं प्रेमनः? हाफ म न एंड विसर्ग.
हाफ म न एंड विसर्ग. हाफ. Yes, correct. Prem.
But it will be the na, right, of the guna na, right, not na. Is it na or is it
Nakara. Na as in na. No. That na.
that na?
प्रेम ना. अणा नहीं. अणा ना. I want to find this rit lakara. Lord rit. You see here utpatsyate. This is the correct form of rit lakara. उपसर्ग पूर्वक पद धातु उत्पत्स्यते. अस्तु अग्रे. मेरे घर में आबाल वृद्ध सब यथाशक्ति कार्य करते हैं. मम गृहे. देन मम गृहे, मम गेहे, मम सद्मनि, मम वेश्मनि, whatever. Then मम निवा सदने. हाँ.
That expression that we have been using everywhere.
It here will be आबाल वृद्धम. वृद्धम द्वितीया में होगा. आबाल वृद्धम होगी. आबाल वृद्धम सर्वे. देन
यथाशक्ति कार्यम करते हैं.
कुर्वन्ति.
सम्यक.
And did you sarvesham, like Abaji was saying?
You can just say survey.
You said Bahu. Sarveshu.
Survey.
Just survey.
No, survey. Survey is okay. See, here you are talking about the people there, right? We are not saying of the people, in the people, kuch nahi. Survey. Sarveshu, sarvesham and all is that vibhakti, right? Shashti, Saptami, etc.
So it was Mama Gruhe.
Mama Gruhe.
मम गृहे आबालवृद्धं सर्वे यथाशक्ति कार्यं कुर्वन्ति.
सम्यक्. बहु सत्यमस्ति. बहु सम्यक् अस्ति. उत्तमम्. हमारे विद्यालय में जितने छात्र हैं उतनी ही छात्राएं हैं. दिस इज इन दिस फॉर्मेट. यावत् तावत्. हमारे अस्माकं विद्यालये. देन अस्माकं विद्यालय. वयम् इज हम. हम सब.
So अस्माकं विद्यालये यावन्त कितने. So
यावन्तो. Like this.
यावन्तो छात्राः.
सत्यम. Then
तावन्तो
सन्ति. यावन्तो छात्राः सन्ति. तावन्तो. देन
तावन्तो छात्राः. छात्राः.
छात्राः. देन
एंड सन्ति.
सन्ति. सत्यम. सम्यक. जितने छात्र हैं उतने ही छात्राएं हैं. छात्राएं.
One was यावन्तो. The other one was तावन्तो, right?
Sorry, हाँ, ये good question. Not तावन्तो. You need to use स्त्रीलिंगा, right? छात्रा is स्त्रीलिंगा. तावन्तो is पुल्लिंगा.
So तावन्त्यः.
Correct. तावन्त्यः, तावन्त्यो. तावन्त्यो.
So तावन्त्यः or तावन्त्यो.
Visarga will get okara, na? Anyway. You can put visarga to okara for before छात्राएं. So तावन्त्यः और तावन्त्यो. सत्यम.
So जो जितने छात्र हैं था, छात्र का प्लूरल वाज
किम.
So I cannot remember the
छात्राः.
छात्राः.
There is no difference.
नहीं ना, वैसे ही साउंड कर. ओके.
Both are छात्राः. छात्र पुल्लिंग बहुवचनम is छात्राः. हाँ, both are aha only. Right? Ramah, Ramo, Ramaha, and Rama, Rame, Ramaha. Both are chatra. What will so the differentiator is the yavantyau. That is yavantyo. That is the differentiator. Yavantaha and tavantyo. That is the differentiator.
So it became अस्माकं विद्यालये यावन्तो छात्राः तावन्त्या छात्राः सन्ति.
यावन्तो छात्राः सन्ति, तावन्त्यो छात्राः सन्ति. और विद्यन्ते.
I only had one something in the end.
Both you ideally we add both because you see here yavanto janaha grame santi, tavantaha santi. Two are there, no? In this sentence. And or you can say vidyante.
वो है ऐसे दोनों पर.
Correct. विद्यन्ते भी बोल सकते हैं. विद्यन्ते संति के अलावा अग्रे जितने फल. अच्छा नहीं, वहाँ दिस इज नॉट. कति और कियत. कियत छात्र. सो कियत इंस्टेड ऑफ कियत वी कैन यूज छात्र हैं वैसे बोल रहे हैं ना. कितने छात्र हैं प्लूरल है. हियर हैं इज देयर. सो बहुवचनम छात्राः. So
kiyat or kati, which one we can use?
Both are okay for kitne, but here they are given the kiyat shabda in abhyasa. So you can take kiyantaha. Kiyantaha chatraha. Kiyantaha chatraha. और कियन्तः छात्राः. सत्यं. तत्र कियन्तः छात्राः. देन कितनी छात्राएं. सत्यं. कियन्त्यः छात्राः. हाँ. देन
और दिस इज नपुंसक थर्ड वाला.
हाँ.
कियन्त फलानि.
कियन्ति फलानि. हाँ. देन
फलानि.
पुस्तकें.
पुस्तक इज आल्सो पुस्तकें.
सो किसी कियन्ति पुस्तकानि.
कियन्ति पुस्तकानि च
सम्यक. च सन्ति. सम्यक. जितने फल और जितने फूल वहाँ हैं उतने भी फल और फूल यहाँ भी है. हाँ. ओके. यावत और यावन्ति फलानि पुष्पाणि सन्ति तत्र अत्रापि तावन्ति एव सन्ति फलानि पुष्पाणि. तत्र एनी क्वेश्चन. यावन्ति फलानि च यावन्ति फलानि यावन्ति पुष्पाणि च तत्र सन्ति. अत्रापि तावन्ति एव पुष्पाणि फलानि च सन्ति. तब तक काम करो जब तक गुरुजी न आवे.
तावत् कार्यं कुरु यावत् गुरवः
न आगच्छत्. Okay, but the next sentence will make it easier. उतने समय तक वहाँ मत रहो. तावत् काल पर्यन्तं.
तत्र न स्थाव्यं. Don't stay there.
Lot is better. Not vidhi. No need to use tavya pratyaya. Lot. Or the best one here is Ma Staha. Which lakara this is?
Mastaha?
Huh.
We talked about that.
There is a sutra. Mangi
Yeah.
Lung. This sutra is special. Ma will come with lung lakara. Mangi lung. Mangi lung. So Mastaha.
Yes.
And-
Mothers with lung.
And you see the most common occurrence of mangilum here is in na karo. Akaran vivad na karo. Kimasti. This is a very common. In fact, in Veda also this vakya comes.
Nishkaranam.
Nishkaranam vivadam.
Vivadam. Nakuru.
Makuru.
Makuru.
You have to use lung lakara, na? Lung lakara. Na kuru is correct. Ma what? Ma if you say mangi lung only. Mangi lat nasti. Or mangi lot nasti. Na kuru is correct. Na karo, na kuru. Okay. But if I say ma, then ma karshihi. In Veda, this comes. Ma karshihi. In different places. Don't do that. Ma karshi.
Mavidvishavahai. तो वाला ना
Ma vidvishav. Vidvishavahai, but vidvishavahai here will be in Uttama Purusha. Here it is in Madhyama Purusha. Makarshi. Don't do that in that way. Mahavidvishavahai is all of us. Bahuvachanam of Uttama Purusha. Or Dvivachanam Uttama Purusha. Nirjanme. So Nirjanme is Nirjane. Nirjan में भी
11 number fully. Karanam vivadam ma vivad.
Nakuriyat. Nakuru.
No kuru is okay, but if you say ma, then you have to say.
Lung, we have to find the word for lung.
Yes, you have to find the word for lung. Kre dhatu. Kre dhatu, kartari, lung. Right at the end, you see. Ma akarshihi. So you say ma karshihi. Mangi lung.
With an avagraha, right? Because ma is already dirgha.
You can put avagraha. Yeah, okay. You can put, but I think in Veda, I don't think avagraha will come. Okay, so there is one more thing, right? So in the beginning, we had discussed that a plus avagraha generally will come, right? A plus
If you give the correct answer, you can't find another sutra.
No, so I made a mistake in the beginning. You are correct. So I am correcting my own mistake. So you see in sa plus atmanam, double a, then avagraha, double avagraha is okay. Sa plus if there is dirgha and hraswa, I said avagraha should come, right? Sorry. Avagraha need not come. One avagraha comes when there is visarga. Okay. So sa plus you don't need to put. In some places you may find the prayoga of that avagraha coming. Like na and avidya, they may put na avagraha avidya. But in some places they won't put. They'll just say na avidya.
So where will you put a single avagraha?
When visarga comes, athoro raplutad aplute, echo engapadantadati, hare ava, all of those things. Here it is not compulsory. Actually, whether it is even required, we have to check. But it is not, definitely not compulsory. I'll check and clarify this. But it's not there. Generally, what I'm going to check is, in our tikas and bhashya, etc., if there is any prayoga of the visarga after a and a. Because if you remember in akasa varne dirgha, they had given a plus a plus a plus a. All will work. but they had not given a plus a, or maybe they had given, but they definitely not given double avagraha there.
Yeah, they definitely not.
Now we have to check that. So we will go and check that, what they have given. Then, acha, nirjan may be. Nirjane. Now you see, how would you say nirjan may be in Sanskrit?
Nirjane api.
So here avagraha will come. One avagraha.
Nirjane pi.
One avagraha will come. Like hareva, hareva. Nirjane api, nirjane pi. Nirjane pi anukulam प्रतिकूलं च प्राणी मिल जाते हैं. तो प्राणिनः मिलन्ति और मेलन्ति, यू कैन से, आई थिंक मेलन्ति और मिलन्ति, प्राप्नुवन्ति. दिस इज ऑल, दिस इज ऑल बहुवचनं. प्राप्नुवन्ति, मेलन्ति, मिलन्ति. अस्तु, अग्रे.
प्राणिति द प्लूरल.
प्राणिनः, प्राणिन शब्द है,
ह्रस्व है ना,
ह्रस्व कत् सत्यम. प्राणिनः. राम मेरे अनुकूल है, राम मम अनुकूल अस्ति. रावण मेरे प्रतिकूल है, रावण मम प्रतिकूल अस्ति. सी हियर यू विल गेट वन अवग्रह. अनुकूलः अस्ति, अनुकूलो अवग्रह अस्ति. अतोरप्लुतादप्लुते. आकाश में पक्षी है, व्योमनि पक्षिणः सन्ति, वर्तन्ते. सेम थिंग एज दिस. विद्यन्ते,
व्योमनि पक्षिणः विद्यन्ते,
विद्यन्ते, वर्तन्ते, सन्ति, व्हाटएवर. देन श्याम सामवेद का मंत्र गाता है. दिस सेम दैट दे आर गिवन हियर. साम गायत स यत् स. और जस्ट साम. साम मंत्र you can say, Samaveda mantra you can say, Samaveda you can say, or just Sama. Sama Gayati. That is also enough. Shyama Sama Gayati. Shyamo Sama Gayati.
यहाँ के accordingly Shama Sama Agayat.
Shamo, no, Agayat is for lung. Na? Here it is Gata hai, not Gata tha. Gayat. Agayati. यह सोने का आभूषण है. सेम एज दिस. स हेम्नः आभूषणम अस्ति. और एतत् से एतत्. रस्सी लाओ, रस्सी लाओ. धाम, धाम आनय. लाइक गाम आनय, गाम आनय, जैसे धाम आनय. बाल धो.
But we, for us, I almost intuitively it as Rajwanaya.
Yeah, Rajwanaya, that's correct. Rajwanaya.
Abhyasa is that word, the Dhamma.
Dham they had given them.
We never use Dhamma, it's only Raju
Yeah, correct. Baldho Loma Prakshalaya. Lomani Prakshalaya. बहुवचनम.
Prakshalaya.
बच्चा पैदा होता है. दिस इज लट लकार जायते. बालिका बालकः जायते. पुत्र पैदा हुआ है, हुआ. पुत्रः अजायत, अजायत, अजायत. विद्या से ज्ञान होता है. विद्याया और विद्यया तृतीया. हियर यू कैन यूज तृतीया बिकॉज साधन.
विद्या के द्वारा.
हाँ, विद्यया ज्ञानम भविष्यति. और संपद्यते. वह वहाँ है.
विद्या विनयम ददाति वैसा.
हाँ, करेक्ट. विद्या ददाति विनयम. वह वहाँ है. स तत्रास्ति. दिस इज नॉट इन द बुक. दिस वेरी सिंपल. स तत्रास्ति. अपने आप को कौन मूर्ख समझता है? स्वात्मानम कहा मूर्खम मन्यते. सेम एज दिस दैट वन सेंटेंस वाज देयर. आत्मानं प्राज्ञं मन्यते. प्राज्ञ नहीं, यहाँ मूर्ख. सो मूर्खम मन्यते. प्रेमात् नहीं. सो आबाजी योर क्वेश्चन इज कम. प्रेमात् नहीं, प्रेम्णः. नः णकार. प्रेम्णः. Did I say premnah? I don't remember. I think I said nakara. Na? Not nakara.
Yeah, that's it.
Sorry. Not nakara. Nakara. Why nakara? Why na and not na?
Sorry, that's a good question.
There is a sutra.
Easy answer.
It's a good sutra. Okay, so without the sutra, the answer is after rakara, na will become na. That is the thing we saw in the beginning, right? After rakara, na becomes na. But what sutra this is? This is samanapada. So there is a sutra here.
समान मतलब दोनों बार प्रेम प्रेम है ऐसे.
हाँ, एक ही पद है ना. Premnaha is only one pada. So there is one sutra here. Now what it is? It's the one before. Rashabhyam no naha samana pade. ये है 6. What is this? 841. Rashabhyam no naha samana pade. So you see the example they have given. Push plus na will become pushna. Like that, prem plus na will become premna. पितॄणाम तिसॄणाम. अस्तु. यावान् छात्राः नयसि यावन्तः छात्राः. अनुकूलं प्रतिकूलं प्राणिनः अनुकूलाः प्रतिकूलाः प्राणिनः. लोट लंग विदलिंग we did. नामन प्रेमन व्योमन हेमन. You have to see. जन संपद विद मन. समास किसे कहते हैं? We'll see this again tomorrow. कितने समास है? अगेन टुमारो विल सी. एंड अव्ययी भाव समास की पहचान सौदार्मिक विल सी. एंड दिस ऑल्सो समास करो. सो दिस घ एंड समास करो वी सी टुमारो. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमोद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति. ओम.